is Jillian, owner at Everready Travel, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today I thought we'd talk a little bit about cruising. Cruising is one of the most popular ways of vacation for solo travelers, friends, families, and even couples on their anniversary or honeymoon. This floating resort has something to offer for everyone. They are so popular, yet cruises received a bad rep during the pandemic, and they're working very hard to get that reputation back with many new changes. Most of the cruises around the world belong to three big companies: Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, and Carnival Cruise Lines. And all three are working closely with the CDC to develop stringent protocols, strategic applications, and supporting innovation and technology to meet and bring their standards up once they are finalized. So let's talk about it. Among all of the changes, the most notable ones are touchless temperature checks, the staff serving guests the food from buffets, so no more self-serve, new medical grade air filters, fogging areas with natural disinfectants, staggering check-in times, and reduced capacity travelers. So the air that you will be breathing on cruises will be filtered with H13 HEPA, the highest grade air filter that removes 99.95% of particulates bigger than 0.1 micron. This means COVID-19, which is 0.125 micron, blood cell 10 microns, and human hair 75 microns will be filtered out. Another change that they will implement is enhanced pre-embarkation health screening and additional screening for those at risk. This will include temperature checks for guests before embarkation, upon returning to the ship, from a port of call, before all meals, in dining venues, before all activities in public venues, and before disembarkation. Crew members will get their temperatures checked multiple times per day. If needed, advanced COVID-19 testing could be a part of the cruise employment contract. Thorough sanitation per the CDC's vessels sanitation program before and after every voyage is another protocol. Embarkation terminals, staterooms, suites, elevators, and public areas will be cleaned, sanitized, and disinfected at an increased frequency. And this includes the use of electrostatic spray technology. So the guest capacity will be reduced to honor space for responsible social distancing. NCL, which is Norwegian Cruise Line, has announced that they will increase its medical teams, rapid testing, oxygen equipment, increased vaccines inventory, and other medication to treat COVID-19 fleet-wide. If needed, each ship will have additional isolation chambers as well. Lastly, cruise lines are partnering with local destinations and tour operators to ensure health and sanitation protocols are extended to the shoreside experience. All of this could cause itinerary changes. This is the start of a new era where new technology and enhancements are surfacing fast to help us be able to cruise with peace of mind. Thank you so much again for joining, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.